and good evening. Welcome to Card News. You're watching Mainstream at 6. I am Wilburn Kropi, bringing you the top stories and the news in details. With a contagious coronavirus outbreak, the world is facing a terror. The spreadability of this disease has taken thousands of lives and put the world on hold. Amid the outbreak of coronavirus, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi had announced Janata Curfew on Sunday. Like other citizens of India, MP Hoben Singh and family too stepped out to support and express their heartfelt gratitude to all the great doctors, nurses and others involved in fighting against the pandemic coronavirus. While Hoben Singh was seen banging the steel plate, his family could be seen clapping their hands. They made sure to echo their sentiments and give a shout out to the heroes of the world. As unprecedented shutdown commenced across the country, Karbi Anglong also observed Janata Curfew on Sunday from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. on Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal to help track the spread of pandemic coronavirus. As the Janata Curfew got underway at 7 a.m., people largely kept themselves indoors as part of the social distancing exercise. While all major roads of the district remained deserted, essential services continued to operate. It's time for a short break. Do stay with us.
Start here, right anywhere. Eastern Models, authorized dealer of Royal Enfield, Rongkila near Don Bosco School, Difu 782460 Assam. Easy finance available here. For more information, kindly contact Sales Bokazan 78961 69021. For both Difu and Bokazan, you can contact 9957 988 008 or you can mail Isan Models ka@gmail.com. Kanj Shopping Mall is a Gulf of Assam enterprise and the Hill Areas Department. A glorious 1 year now.
Here's everything you need: groceries and household supplies, cosmetics, personal care and skincare essentials, appliances and electronics, stationery, men's and women's clothing along with tribal clothing. Kanj Shopping Mall, Difu Manja Road, Manja Industrial Complex, 782461, Manja, Karbi Anglong, Assam. Welcome back after the short break. Now India is set to come to a screeching halt as authorities ordered passengers, railway, metro and interstate bus services to be suspended across the nation till March 31st in a bid to contain the spread of the deadly novel coronavirus, which has led to 7 documented deaths in the country so far and about 415 cases reported. Only essential services will run in 80 districts, including big cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bengaluru, Hyderabad and Chennai, which have seen confirmed cases of the COVID-19 disease, the government said. The global pandemic has forced lockdowns in 35 countries, disrupting lives, travel and business as governments scramble to shut borders and unleash hundreds of billions in emergency measures to avoid a widespread virus-fueled economic meltdown. Over 3 lakh infections have been confirmed worldwide, with the situation increasingly grim in Italy, where the death toll has spiked to more than 4,800 or more than a third of the global fatality count. While the coronavirus can be deadly, particularly for the elderly and people with other health problems, for most, it causes only mild or moderate symptoms such as fever and cough. Some feel no symptoms at all and the vast majority of the people recover. Healthcare experts have been making repeated appeals to the public to practice social distancing and good hand hygiene apart from advocating widespread testing. Those were the top stories for this hour. Do stay with us.